Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Recool hair. Inside the package, I received a bonnet, a wig cap, an elastic band, some lashes, and some more stuff. The wig that I received is a 13x4 26-inch water wave wig. The first thing that I do before placing the wig on my client's head is placing makeup inside the wig on the lace that will be showing. In this case, I'll be placing it on the entire hairline and the middle part since I'll be styling the wig in the middle part. After you've had your client help you hold on the two sides so you can know where the wig should be placed, you'll then use your angled brush and make a dotted line so you can know exactly where you'll place the glue. When I'm placing the dotted line across my client's hairline, I always make sure to place it below the cap even if that isn't where the hairline is. For example, the two dots that I just drew on my client's hairline isn't where the hairline of the wig is, but it is below her actual hairline. Before placing your first layer of glue on your client's hairline, you want to make sure to clean the area where you'll be applying the glue. But also make sure that you don't remove the dotted lines that you made before. Before placing the lace into the glue, I always make sure that the part is lined up exactly where I want it to be so I don't have to redo it once the lace is laid. Also, when placing the lace down, you want to make sure that you stretch the lace so that it doesn't end up with any rolls in it. As you guys can see, the dotted line that you made before applying the glue is still on the lace and it should still be on your client's hairline. So this should help you know exactly where to place the lace into the glue. Once you've applied the lace exactly where you want it to be in the glue, you can then use your fingers to apply pressure so that the lace can stick down correctly. When I'm cutting off the extra lace that I won't be using, I always use my silver scissors that I got from Amazon, and I cut it in a zigzag motion so the lace won't be as visible once it's cut. After I finish cutting off each section of lace that I won't be using, I then apply a really thin layer of glue on top of the lace. If you make the layer of glue super thin, this will not leave your lace sticky. I always place the dotted line for where to put the glue below the cap just to avoid placing glue right on top of my client's hairline. The makeup that I'm applying on top of the lace is my Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 15. After I finish placing all the makeup that is needed to blend the lace, I then use my bedhead holding spray and spray it across my client's hairline before placing the band on. For the baby hairs, as you guys know by now, I use Gatsby Glue Gel and Cream of Nature Mousse. The curls in the hair right now look all puffy because of all the plucking and hot combing that I had to do to the hairline. But now I'm about to use my spray bottle with water to bring the curls back to life. Right now, I'm just going to use my Sharpie to cover all the hairs that were over bleached. This will make the part look sharper and neater. Once the baby hairs are completely dried, you can then remove the wrap strips and apply bio soap before hot combing the hairline. Using bio soap before you hot comb the hairs will mold all the hairs in place and also give it a sleek and shiny look. After I finish hot combing the hairline, I then use some oil sheen and place it into my hand. I then use some of that oil sheen and just cover the baby hairs with them to remove the ashy look from the wrap strips. The same makeup that was used at the beginning of the video is the same makeup that I'm using to outline the part. When I'm finished outlining the part, I then use that same makeup and place it at the end of the lace just so it can blend a little better with my client's skin complexion. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and continue watching for more clips of the finished look.